So you're going to put a club down for your target line, which is the line going from the ball to the hole, from this angle. And then you've got your stance line. Now, if you're hitting the ball off the toe, your weight's a little bit too much on your heels here. So there's only two reasons people miss off the toe. They either shorten their radius, they lose their structure through the ball. What is structure? The separation in the elbows, or the head's moving away from the ball this direction. Let's see what happens. I think you're too far away from the ball, maybe just a half an inch or so. That's a perfect takeaway. Pretty good backswing. A little short, but I mean, you're a big guy, lifting a lot of weights. The club is coming where? Too far from the inside. That club dropped under plane. There's where you're getting your hooks. All right. Now, how do you fix that? Well, instead of going back here, your hand should be here. So we call that depth. That's this measurement. If you get your hands too far behind you, you're going to drop it too far in. So you want to feel like your hands are more going up as opposed to back. Does that make sense? It's just a too flat a backswing. Now, what did that translate to in terms of the path of your swing? I would say you were probably 3 or 4 degrees to the right. You were only 1 degree to the right. That's because you set up better. Alright, but when that club drops underneath the plane, you got one of two options. You're either going to push it. From right here, that club's either going to go, you're either going to time it up right, you're going to have good timing, coordinate your arms and your body, square up the face, or in this case, look where your head is relative where it started. Remember I said your head moves back? Now, are we going to change that? Probably not. That's probably ingrained. But guess what we can do? We can adjust your setup to accommodate that swing position. Now, there have been some players on tour that have done that. Now, why does your head go backwards? Because your pelvis moves forward. Watch your pelvis. When your pelvis goes toward the ball, your head's going to go back. Now, do we want to fix that? It's harder to fix it than to accommodate it. Yeah, would I like to see your rear end not to move forward and your head not go back? Yeah. So, what I want to do is move you in a half an inch to an inch closer to the ball, so that when you're coming through and your head pulls away, you don't hit it off the toe. That's right. I agree. I think if your hands are not, like where I put that circle, getting your hands to feel like they're more here instead of deeper, yeah, you can stay in it better. Yeah, I agree. That's good. That's good thinking. Yep. It's right there where you pull away, right through the hitting zone. You see how your head goes back. All right.